Hello YouTube. In this video, I'll be teaching you tautomerism, a very important topic for all your entrance exams. So first we'll see what is tautomerism. Tautomerism is a special type of functional isomerism in which functional groups are in dynamic equilibrium. Then I'll tell you what is the meaning of this later. Now let's see the two types of tautomerism. First is keto-enol tautomerism and another is non-keto-enol tautomerism. So let's see first type of tautomerism, that is keto-enol tautomerism. Here you have CH3, C double bond O, CH3 in acidic medium H plus will give you CH3, C, OH and double bond CH2, that is alkenol. It is alkenol. So the mechanism involved here is this H plus, what you have, this H plus will attack the O, that is double bond O here, so it forms OH. So as it forms OH, this double bond will shift here. So when double bond shifts here, this H plus, one H plus here, what you have, one H plus from here will be removed. This H plus will be removed and the reaction takes place. So this is the mechanism. It's very simple mechanism, you need not worry. So this is known as keto-enol tautomerism. Coming to our next example, here you have dynamic equilibrium, CH3 C double bond O single bond H, then you have this equilibrium and then CH2 double bond C OH. You can see this double bond is shifted towards the alkene group. So this is also known as keto-enol tautomerism. This one is known as keto because you have C double bond O, that is keto group, and the product you obtain is enol because you have alkene and OH, that is en for alkene and OL for alcohol, enol. This is known as keto-enol tautomerism. So it's very simple. I'll give you some more examples. So coming to our next example, in this example you have to find, it is a question which will give keto-enol tautomerism. So A, you have mainly it is decided on presence of alpha carbon atom. So here the alpha carbon atom, this is the functional group, and here these two groups are alpha carbon atom and the hydrogen attached to it are known as alpha hydrogen atom. So therefore it has alpha hydrogen atom, so it will form keto-enol tautomerism in presence of H plus. Now coming to the B, here also you have alpha hydrogen atom, so this one will also give isomerism, keto-enol tautomerism. C, here you have alpha hydrogen atom, so this one will also give. And the D, here you don't have alpha carbon atom, then how come you'll have alpha hydrogen atom? So here you'll not have any keto-enol tautomerism. So this is all about keto-enol tautomerism. It's very simple. I forgot to tell you an important trick. Fast enolization means best acid, and for tautomerism du should be 1. What is du? Degree of unsaturation. Refer my past videos, you will get about du. It should be 1 for tautomers. Next, non-keto-enol tautomerism. In this case, in presence of given medium, acidic or basic, one form changes to another. This is known as non-keto-enol tautomerism. Let's take an example. You have HCl in dynamic equilibrium CNH. So this type of dynamic equilibrium, when you change the acidity, is known as non-keto-enol tautomerism. You have second one, here you have HOCl and OCNH. Now let's solve few examples which are very important. Before solving any problem, you should know this electronegativity order. It is in decreasing order. First is fluorine, oxygen, chlorine, nitrogen, bromine, iodine, carbon, and then hydrogen. So you can see the electronegative difference between carbon and hydrogen is less. So therefore H plus, removal of H plus, release of H plus is very less favored. Whereas N, when you have nitrogen and hydrogen, they have more electronegative difference. So therefore release of H plus is more favored. So this is an important point you should remember. Now in this question you have to find out the acid order. Remember this, which is more electronegative, so easy to remove H plus. So you have in first A, you have 2 NH2, that is 2 nitrogen with H2. So in this you'll have removal of H plus is more favored. Whereas coming to B, you have 1 NH2, it is little less favored. Whereas coming to at C, it is least. So the order is A is greater than B is greater than C. This is the order of acidic, this is the acid order in increasing. So let's see our next example or problem. Next problem, find out the best tautomerism. So in A, this double bond can shift here or this can shift here. In both the cases the molecule will not be stable. Now coming to C, it can shift here or it can shift here, but the molecule will not be stable. In this there is no chance, so it will never be stable. But in this, if this shift here, this double bond shifts here, then it forms resonance. Due to resonance, this molecule will become stable. So answer is B. Thank you. Subscribe the channel. Meet you in next video. Bye bye.